Hey, what's up, 101? Chris Coombs here, running my video for my Joe Burrow rated rookie. Let me get down here. There it is. Let's see. Here we go. We got Scott for one, Ronald for one, Scott for another, Ronald for another, Greg for one, Ronald for one, Scott for one, Ronald for one, Greg for one, and Scott for the final one. Copy our list. We're coming down here. And we're going to go live. Live time is 9:09. Current time is 9:09. Going to roll the dice. Anything over 2 gets us going. Dice roll at 9:09. Here we go. Going 10 times. 10 times. First time at 9:09. Good luck, everybody. Alright, we got Ronald. Second time, Ronald, Greg, Scott, Ronald, Scott, Ronald, Greg, Scott. And the 10th and final at 9:09. Winner is Ronald. Takes it with spot number 8. There you go, sir. Congratulations on that win. Send me your address. Here is our verification code. We're going to come back here. We are going to type in done. And I want to thank everybody for getting in. Done time 9:10. Current time 9:10. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.